Alright, it's under FX. Today we are going to do a trade recap of the trade we took on gold this week. Uh, it's the as we see now, Monday is already printed on the charts. This is silver and this is gold. These are the pairs I trade now. Without wasting time, let's dive into it. Mm, we're going to. This is the 6 hour time frame, which helps us to know which divides the day into 4 quarters. In 2 quarters, where we see the first quarter at 1800, the second quarter, the third quarter, and the last quarter, which is at 12. Now we take the last quarter as the previous session. As you know, it's the last quarter and it's the previous in the last session of the day. So, without wasting time, let's dive into the 1 hour and we see. Yeah, all right. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I'm going to zoom out. Remember, we are starting the day looking for bulls to continue the day from this reversal here, which happened on Friday and Monday, gave us the continuation. These are the daily candles. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into it. We're going to name this low the previous session low. Remember, it's the last quarter of the day. This is the previous session low. Okay. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into it. The market on the open. Let's see what it provides. Now, as you can see, the market tapped the previous session low here on silver, whereas on gold it didn't tap. So that's what we call an SMT. Let's see, we have an SMT right here on this previous session low. Remember, when liquidity is taken from the previous session low, the previous session high, the previous day high is the target, as we learned in the universal sequence. Now, as it approaches the previous session low, let's dive into the 5 minute and we see, because it's the time frame in the coordination with that. I'll pause here, correct? All right, we've reached to the point in price where price made this SMT on silver and on gold both. Remember, the previous session low was swept here on silver, but on gold it has not yet, price has not yet reached there. That's where we come to our lower time frame, in this case which is the 5 minute, and we look for a change in the set of delivery, which we haven't got here, or the change in the set of delivery, or the break of market structure, which we don't have yet. We just be patient and we wait, because liquidity has already been taken and we are waiting for our trade towards the previous day high, which is Monday, to get the continuation of uh, Tuesday. Uh, without wasting time, let's see where price is heading. We see whether we get a trade or we don't. As you can see, price is beginning to push towards the bullish direction. Now, here, as you can see, what we have here, take your eyes on silver. I see we have a change in the set of delivery right here. This is going to provide us the entry. Silver has already confirmed being bullish. Silver has already confirmed being bullish. Silver has confirmed to the bullish direction as we wait for gold to also confirm. Alright, remember this is a trade based on the sequence that was taught by the MMXM trader, uh, whereby if you have the previous day high as your draw, you wait for the previous session low to be swept or taken as liquidity so that you can trade towards the draw, which is the previous day high. Let's continue with this, and we see we are going to put our long position on silver because for it has already confirmed the direction. uh, our entry right there, stop loss at the lows. Gold has not yet confirmed, but when it confirms we are going to put to apply the same scenarios so that right now, as you can see, gold has also changed. So we are going to put a long position right here. Let me see. I'm going to look for uh, for for 2R on gold. Yeah, for 2R on gold, and silver is already in profits, running deep profits. We are just waiting for gold. Gold has just gave us an entry. We are going to wait for it to. We are going to trade two pairs because those are my trade. Let's go. As you can see, gold has already reached the draw, whereas silver hasn't reached. Remember, it's the pair that swept, so it has to go. Sorry. Let's see what's happening. Let's see. Silver has picked up. Silver has picked up as we talk. Silver has picked up. We are about to hit TP. We are about to hit TP anytime. Anytime we hit TP on silver, we close the trade. Gold has already hit TP with the 2R. Waiting for silver to hit. 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 Okay. Running the profits on silver. We are about to hit. We are about to hit. We are about to hit. Right. We are about to ETP on silver. Yeah, we are about. Let's see. Let's see if we hit our TP on silver. Gold is already finished. TP it. TP it. So that's the nice trade right there. That's a nice trade based on the sequence, based on everything we learn in this mentorship, based on ICT. Yeah, that's where I would say thanks to MMXM Trader who was able to share this for free and we taught ourselves. Okay, that's a nice trade right there. Bye. Bye bye. See you next time. So that's how we call that trade Asia session. We're going to do we're going to go into how we catch the weekly range. Bye bye.